Hi children, today I would like to teach you 10th standard Unit 5 Part C Choreography script for the poem Abandoned. Choreography script for the poem Abandoned. Title of the poem is Abandoned. Name of the poet is Dr. Surya Naseem. Theme of the poem: the agony of the abandoned child who was thrown to the garbage bin is pictured. Remember children, in the choreography script, theme of the poem is very important because it gives an idea how much we understood. So the theme is the agony of the abandoned child who was thrown to the garbage bin is pictured. It is seen very clearly in the poem. Now, instances of the poem. A child was abandoned to the garbage bin. It was being eaten by mosquitoes, insects, and rats. The baby cries agony and no one notices it. So when we see it here, we can give the picturization as instance here. So what is happening here? The child was abandoned, the child was thrown. The child was in garbage bin, and here we can see the child was being eaten by mosquitoes, insects, and rats. Here the baby cries agony, but no one notices the situation. Dear children, in the choreography script, the location is very important. So in this poem, location is dustbin. So the dustbin in the corner of a street with foul smell and garbage around. So even the location is very bad to see, because even if it is a foul smell, we can't bear. But here, dustbin with foul smell, and it is completely filled with garbage. So here the baby was thrown. Characters are very important for any choreography. So here we can see child, mosquitoes, rats, and cats. Remember, characters are very important for choreography script. A child, so here the child is the baby, mosquitoes, rats, and cats. Now scene of actions. The chorus enters the stage and creates the visual effects of garbage bin. Remember children, here it is the beginning of the scene. The chorus team enters to the stage and they create the visual effect of garbage bin, and it seems to be as it is like a garbage bin. Next one. A woman enters with a tiny baby and leaves it on the garbage. So to feel that a garbage bin and the baby lying in the bin, so we created this visual effect. That is, a woman enters with a tiny baby in the hands, and the woman leaves the baby on the garbage. The baby cries in agony when the insects and rats trying to eat it. So how we have seen in the poem, here the baby cries in agony. Sometimes even the baby unable to breathe because of a cry. One side insects, another side rats trying to eat the baby. A cat jumps in, only rats let loose and the cry of the baby continues. We usually find rats and cats. So here what happened is, keeping in view of easy hunting, the cat jumps into the bin because there are rats, and it is a easy hunt for cats. So as soon as the cat jumps, the rats moving here and there, the rats escaped. So in this onslaught, so in this hunting, sometimes rats may run on the body and cat may jump on the baby's body. So the baby cry continuously heard. At the end, unheard shrieks stop their sounds. It shows that finally the baby dies. Here the garbage bin smells foul. The garbage bin is with mosquitoes, different flies, insects, rats and cats. Here we can see the baby's body became pale, like blue color, because of the baby's continuous cry. At the end, the baby dies, but nobody notices the situation. That's what here a unhappy note. Then we can give a message that these type of things should be avoided. Human beings should be aware of human relation. Human beings should feel affection and love towards the same human kind. Thank you.